Have you ever slept all night but still woke up tired? Have you ever opened your eyes and felt heavy before the day even began? Do you know what it feels like to rest your body but never rest your mind? Some people sleep less and wake up full of life. You sleep more, yet feel empty. If you have ever felt tired without reason, if mornings feel painful, if your heart wakes up exhausted, this story is for you. Once upon a time, there lived a young man named Sam. Sam was 19 years old. He lived in a small village with green fields and quiet roads. Life in the village was simple and slow, but inside Sam's heart, nothing felt calm. Every night, Sam slept for long hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, sometimes more. Yet every morning, his eyes felt heavy. His head felt tired, and his heart felt empty. When the sun filled the village with warm light, Sam still wanted darkness. His friends woke early. They learned new skills. They walked with energy. But Sam stayed behind. While others moved forward, Sam felt stuck in the same place. People in the village often said, "Sam is a good boy, but he always looks lost." Sam heard those words and felt a quiet pain inside because he was trying. He wanted change. He wanted strength. He wanted a better life. But every morning defeated him. The alarm rang. His hand moved. His eyes closed again, and guilt followed him all day. One evening, after another tiring day, Sam walked alone. The sky was orange, and the wind was soft. He sat beneath an old banyan tree at the edge of the village. His shoulders dropped. "I am always tired," he whispered. At that moment, slow footsteps came closer. An old man stood near him. He had white hair and calm eyes. The villagers called him Baba Zamir. He looked at Sam and said gently, "Your body is young, but your mind looks very old." Sam felt his chest tighten. "How do you know how I feel?" he asked. The old man sat beside him. "When a heart is tired," he said, "its silence becomes louder than words." Sam swallowed hard. "Baba," he said, "I sleep many hours, but I wake tired every day. I want to change, but something inside me feels blocked." Baba Zamir touched the ground and drew a small circle. "This is your mind," he said. "Every day you fill it with fear, with stress, with comparison, with noise. You never empty it. A full mind cannot rest. And a mind that cannot rest will always feel tired." Sam leaned forward. "Then what should I do?" he asked. The old man looked at the sky. "Tonight," he said, "before you sleep, sit alone for 5 minutes. No phone, no noise. Write 3 things. What you felt today, what you learned today, what you will try tomorrow." Sam hesitated. "Will this really help?" The old man smiled softly. "This is not magic," he said. "It is awareness. When your mind becomes light, your sleep becomes deep, and deep sleep needs fewer hours." Then he stood up and slowly walked away. That night, Sam sat on the floor of his small room. The room was quiet. He opened an old notebook. His hand shook as he wrote, "I felt tired today. I learned my mind is crowded. Tomorrow, I will try again." When he closed the notebook, something changed. His chest felt lighter. His breathing slowed. That night, he slept deeply. Not long, but deeply. The next morning, before the rooster crowed, Sam opened his eyes. There was no alarm and no fear, only calm. He sat up slowly. His body felt warm. His mind felt clear. A soft smile came to his face. For the first time in many months, he felt fresh. Days passed. Some mornings were hard. Some nights he failed, but he did not stop. Each night he emptied his thoughts. Each morning, his strength returned. Weeks went by. His face looked brighter. His walk became faster. His eyes carried light. People noticed. "What happened to you, Sam?" they asked. Sam smiled and said, "I learned how to free my mind." Months later, Sam returned to the banyan tree. Baba Zamir was not there. Some villagers said he had traveled. Some said he came only when someone truly needed him. But Sam understood. The lesson had already stayed. He slept less, yet he lived more. Mornings no longer frightened him. They welcomed him. Sam once believed sleep created energy. Now he knew the truth. Peace creates energy. A calm mind creates freshness. Purpose creates life. The tired boy had not needed more sleep. He had needed release. Dear friend, if you sleep long but still wake tired, the problem may not be your body. It may be your mind. Tonight, empty it. Write your thoughts. Release your weight. Because when your mind rests, your mornings rise. And when your mornings rise, your life slowly follows. You are not weak. You are just carrying too much. Let it go. If this story touched your heart, please like this video. Share it with someone who wakes tired every day. Subscribe to Wisdom Square for calm, emotional stories that help you learn English and life together. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.